Hey guys, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome. Today I'm gonna be filming this hair for you guys. You guys asked me on Instagram for a tutorial for how I curl my hair with my extensions, and here it is. I decided to film it for you guys. Super fast, like a super fast tutorial, but it's like literally all I do. I love how my hair looks with extensions. It's just, I feel like it makes such a difference, you know, like, and just it looks really pretty. And I feel like even if you're not wearing makeup but you have your hair done like this, you look like really put together. So yeah, I just wanted to film this quick fast tutorial for you guys so you guys can see how I curl my hair. I'm not saying this is gonna work for everybody, but this is what works for me. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is cut my hair in half. I think it was a bad idea to do this with a necklace on. Just trying to look cute, you know. I'm gonna cut my hair in half. No, actually no. I'm going to grab one of these. I'm just gonna part my hair in half like this, and now I'm gonna cut it in half. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna curl my hair. I'm using the Numi wand. This is the biggest one they have. I don't know the size. Now I'm just gonna grab like a big chunk and I'm gonna curl it, and I'm gonna curl it backwards. I'm just gonna let it go, hold it for a little bit, and let it go. Now I'm gonna grab another big chunk and do the same thing. And let it go. And I'm gonna be curling all my hair like backwards. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna let it go, hold it for a little bit, throw it to the back. I'm gonna grab another one of these and I'm gonna pin this hair back. Now I'm gonna do the other section. And I'm gonna brush it off. And I'm gonna do the same thing. You guys, I literally have like 3 hairs, so it takes me no time, like 15 minutes max to curl my entire head without extensions. Okay, so here I have my whole hair curled. I'm just gonna run my fingers through it. So this is my natural hair. I literally have like 3 hairs, no lie. So now is when I'm gonna add the extensions. I don't think I'm gonna curl the extensions because they're already like a little bit curled. So I'm just gonna clip them in. And here's the thing, guys, I only use 3 clips. So I use 1, 2, and a little bit of a bigger one right here. The reason why is because since I have a little bit of hair, that works for me perfectly fine. And since my hair is already longer, like it's like probably a little bit like this, shorter than the actual extensions, so I don't need the whole pack of extensions because I don't even have hair to hide it. Like I struggle when I try to clip them all in because I have to tease my hair, I have to do so much stuff to be able to hide the extensions. So lately I have only been using 3, and that works perfect for me, and it doesn't give me a headache because usually all the clips and everything give me a headache. This 3 clips don't. So now I'm gonna clip the extensions, and I'm gonna part it a little bit like this. I'm gonna clip the other hair right here, and then I'm gonna clip my extension. I'm gonna let go. I'm gonna part another little section, clip it back. I'm gonna add the other clip. And I'm gonna part it again, like right here. Clip the hair. And I'm gonna clip the bigger one. I'm gonna let go all of the hair, and I'm gonna bring it all forward, and I'm just gonna blend them in with the extensions. And as you guys can see, I didn't have to curl the extensions with my hair because since they were already curled, it like everything blend out together like perfectly fine. It doesn't look like I have extensions on. I feel like it doesn't look like I have extensions on because I don't have a lot of hair, you know, so it looks more natural, you can say. Like you guys can see, the 3 clips worked perfectly fine for me. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curl little tiny sections from my hair on the top, and I'm just gonna go backwards again. Burn myself. I'm just doing little tiny sections. Okay, so now I'm gonna bring my hair forward again, and I'm just gonna run my fingers through it. And that is literally it, you guys. Like, I don't do anything else. I don't use any spray. I don't use anything. I like the fact that it looks natural. You know, it's like not so big, so much volume, nothing like that. It just looks natural. I do need to wash my hair with a little bit of purple shampoo because I feel like my hair is turning a little bit yellower than the extensions, but it doesn't bother me. I just think it looks really nice. I wish, let me stand up a little bit so you guys can see how long they are. So they're like right here. So they're not that long, and you guys can see, where's my hair? This is my hair. This is my hair, and these are the extensions. So it's like not a big difference. And this is what they look like. The extensions are from Luxury for Princess. I've used their extensions for so many years. And that is it, you guys. Super simple, super fast. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was super fast, super quick, but this is literally how long it takes me to do my hair, because, you know, I do have like 3 hairs, so it's super easy. And the fact that I don't add so many like clips, I feel like it helps a lot. It makes everything faster. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you guys want to see. And thank you so much for watching.